The DIYphysio technique in this clip is for releasing the space between our shoulder blades and going down to about mid to lower back. So unfortunately, by the nature of this technique, I can't look forward. I'm gonna have to look to the side or behind so you can see what I'm doing in back. So pardon me. Start with, you're gonna hug yourself. When you hug yourself, I hope you can tell that I'm trying to wrap my hands as clearly behind my back as I can. Doesn't have to be to the point of discomfort, of course. You don't want to be like really crunching in. As with everything and as with all movements, you want to enter into a place where you feel a bit of effort, but you don't feel tension adding anywhere else. So shake out your head. Maybe move your hair if your hair is like mine. Shake out your jaw and shake out your shoulders. Now, once you've done that, you should hopefully be in a place where you're a bit more relaxed and a bit more comfortable. From here, you're going to press forward with your elbows and press backwards with your spine. So in that position, hopefully you already feel that opening in back, and then release. We'll do it again. Press forward with your elbows, press back with your spine. Now shake out your head. And now shake out your elbows, so you're turning left and right. Your head can go with, it can stay, whatever you need. Release. Now, next bit, we'll add in our pelvis. Press forward with your elbows, press back with your spine. Now what's gonna change here is your pelvic position. Press down with your tailbone so you get a round lower back. Press down with your pubic bone so you get an arching back. Tailbone, pubic bone, tailbone, pubic bone. So how our pelvic position alters what levels of our spine are being affected. And so hopefully you'll start to notice that there's a range that feels quite good for your spine to be in. And then pause there. Once you're in that position, you'll release your arms. Give yourself a nice little shake out. And then you're going to switch hands. Other hand on top. Same thing, hugging back, not so much that you're crunching in your neck and your shoulders. And then press away with your elbows. After you press away with your elbows, press back with your spine. I got a few little clicky clicks there. And then release. Forward with your elbows, back with your spine. Shake out your head. Release. Forward with your elbows, back with your spine. Shake out your elbows, twisting them left and right. Now pause in the middle with your elbows and pelvic tilt. Press down with your pubic bone, press down with your tailbone. Pubic bone, tailbone, pubic bone, tailbone, pubic bone, tailbone, and then that spot somewhere in the middle that feels good. Release your arms. Just pause sitting upright. See how your back feels. Now from here, if there's a spot that you feel like it still needs to be done, a little bit of release still needed, go back, repeat this clip, or just repeat the section that you recall as feeling really good. I ran through this a little bit quick just so that you didn't have to watch an extensively long video that is overwhelming with details, which I tend to normally make. So choose what feels good, repeat what feels good. Stop doing it when it doesn't feel as good, when it's decreasing in its relieving effect. And just let it be. You can always return to it in an hour or this afternoon. You don't have to do it overdo it now. Probably best to not overdo it and just gradually increase and explore how your body responds to a new technique.